Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. So do you throw your yam peel away? Like after peeling your yam, you just go and throw it inside dustbin, and yet you go to the market to buy amala to eat. Now this video is for you. After watching this video, trust me, you will not waste your yam peel again. All you just have to do is wash your yam before you peel and then sun dry it. If you have dehydrator, very perfect. If you can use oven to dry it, very perfect. But if you don't have oven, you don't have dehydrator, you use sun. Because me, it is sun that I use to dry mine. I'll take it out in the sun and then bring it in when it is dried. Okay, yes. So a Yoruba woman taught me this. She said this is how amala is made. So if you think it's not how, let me know in the comment section, and also let me know how it is done. Okay, but she said the black amala that people eat, amala and Ewedu, that people Yoruba people eat, even Benue State people, the black amala that they eat is gotten from yam peel. And she said no yam peel goes to waste in her house. So please watch this video to the end, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, let's go straight to the video. So I went to the market. After drying it, I went to the commercial blender because I don't have heavy duty blender. Okay, if you have blender that could crush it, you could go ahead and crush it. Okay, but because I don't have, so I took it to a commercial blender, or grinder rather, a commercial grinder at the market to grind it. So that's him grinding it. Okay, you can see when he's grinding it is pouring. So he grinded this thing like 3 times before he could achieve the powdered form. And he said next time when I'm coming, I should make sure that the yam peel dry very well. That I should make sure the yam peel is very crunchy. So that's why I say if you have the hydrator, you have oven, use it to dry it so that it will be very, very crunchy and smooth while blending. But if you don't have these things, you want to use natural sunlight, please make sure to sun dry it very, very well. Okay, let's go there. Okay guys, so this is what we are going to make, the yam peel that we grinded. So we are going to make this now, turn it into a swallow. Okay, yes, follow me through as I show you how I will do it. Okay, yeah, let's go there. So in a pot, you will pour water. Just gauge the quantity you want to do. So I gauge the quantity I wanted to make, and then I pour water. Don't boil the water before you start turning it. If not, it will form seeds, it will form lumps. So I turned it in cold water. As I put the pot on fire, before the water gets even warm, I made sure I dissolved the powder in the water. You get the point? See what I'm doing? I made sure to turn it, make it to become a paste before the heat becomes much. If you allow the water to boil first, you will be left with lumps, seed that you are not gonna like because it will not dissolve. Okay, yeah, that's how to do even your wheat, your semovita, anything that has to be turned this way. Make sure you dissolve it in cold water first, then you on your heat and start turning. Okay, that was what I did. I dissolved it in cold water first, and then I on the heat and started turning. You see, it is now that the heat is coming up while the powdered amala that I'm turning has been melted already. So there is no way it's gonna form lumps. Or yeah, there's no way it's gonna form lumps. So this is a trick. Some people will boil the water and then start turning, and at the end they will not achieve a smooth swallow. Yes, they will not achieve a smooth swallow because they allowed the water to boil. So I started turning it. Yeah, I turned. It's getting hotter I now saw that I couldn't continue turning till this thing will be ready. And I saw that it was getting thicker. Yes, it was getting very, very thick. If you're the type that like hard amala, you could make your stick. If you like very, very soft amala, you would add water very well. But if you just like it medium, not too hard, not too soft, you could sprinkle a little bit of water at this point so that it cooks alongside with the amala. Do not add water while your amala is ready. So I added a little bit of water to mine. Number one, to make it softer. Number two, to help it cook. Okay, I didn't want to stress myself to continue turning, because at this point of my life I don't need stress. So I sprinkled the water and then covered it to steam up and then cook as well, instead of continuously stirring it. You get the point? Yeah. So after like 3 to 4 minutes, I came back and it's coming together, like it's cooking. You could tell the color is changing, it's becoming more darker, but it's not ready. To me, I like to make my swallows to cook very well. So it's not ready. I scraped the spatula, the gari turner that I was using, and I scraped the pot as well. And then, yeah, I would sprinkle a little bit of water on it again, and then I will still cover it to cook for the final one. Yes, I'll cover it to cook for the final one. So that was what I did. I turned it, and then covered it to cook for the final one. As you could see, the color has changed very well. It's become very, very black. Yes, it's become very, very black. When it turns very, very dark, like this camera, I was using ring light to do this. So the ring light made it to be brighter a bit, but trust me, it's very, very dark. So after covering it for the second time, and here is ready. Okay, I'm not gonna cook it again, I'm not gonna turn it again. So I spread my waterproof. You could use your plastic thing, you could use anything to wrap it. So I made use of the nylon I had at home to wrap it, okay, as it is hot, so it could come together and, yeah, give you that texture that you want. Okay, if you want it to be a little bit strawy, just add water at that early stage. Add very much water, it will be very silky. But I don't like so much soft amala. This is the texture I was going for, and this is the texture I went for. So I'll wrap it here and allow it to cool for a bit before I would eat it. So I will show you a video of where I'm eating it to avoid I didn't eat it.
So for those of you that will say I did not eat it, this is it. Oh, this is it. Okay, yes, and this is me, and this is me. Okay, Father bless this food as I eat, let me nourishment and put my face, but provide those that so yeah, that's it. It's still kind of hot, but I'm hungry. I can't wait. I can't wait to eat. You see that? Very demure, very mindful. So for all the amala lovers, this is it. This is for someone that will say she didn't eat it. I ate it. Nyafo, nyafo. You say that? Bueno, bye.